All right, everyone, welcome to this Vizions Digital little tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to cover schema markups or structured data markup. So how to set this up within your Wix website. So to give you an example, here we have the Google list of all these schema markups that you could set up, the breadcrumb navigations and so on. So basically how to set these up within your Wix website. Wix, I believe, allows you a maximum of 5 per page. So you can set all these 5 up per page. And then Google is going to decide whether or not they want to show those within the search engine rankings. We have trainings going over how to set these up properly. So which ones to use and how to use them and so on. This video is going to be more an in-depth tutorial on how to actually set this up within Wix. But if ever you want to check out that video or those trainings, we have it linked in the description below. So our 12 trainings for service businesses. So these are the 12 trainings: front-end SEO, back-end SEO, link building. And I believe it's in the back-end SEO training that we cover schema markups, how to do them, why to do them, and so on and so forth. So this is going to be more of a tutorial. So let me jump right into it. So here you have it. This is our homepage for our website. This is our website here. This is just a copy of it, just to show you these examples. But this is our website. This is how we set this up in the front end. But what it's going to look like in the back end for the structured data markup, so for these to show up within the Google search results, is this here. So let me show you how to you get here. So first thing is you're on your Wix editor. You go to your pages here, manage pages. Then you go here to these 3 buttons on the page you want to set these up on. You can set these up on every single one of your pages. The only thing you can do is set these up for your dynamic pages. So I tried to see, I contacted Wix also to try to see if they could get that feature going. But for now, you cannot set these up individually for every single one of your dynamic pages. So a little bit of a bummer, but for now, that's the case. So you go here, 3 buttons here, SEO basics. When you get to your SEO basics, you're going to be here with your title tag, meta description. If you saw our other video on title tags and meta description, that's why it looks like this. Usually wouldn't. And then you go to advanced SEO, structured data markup, and then here you would have your markups set up. Now, let's just do this here. I don't know why this is not set up this way. There you go. And you could also test these on Google. So how would you do this? Well, first off, let's just remove this one so it allows us to do a new one. And you would add a new markup. So you press this button here. You would title the markup. This is just for your internally how you would title this. So let's call it new markup test. And then here you would have to put the code, the JSON LD format code. The best software I know that's free to use is this schema markup generator, technicalseo.com/tools/schema markup generator. It's here. What you could just do here is you could choose the one you want. I would recommend for service businesses to do the local business one, the FAQ page one, the breadcrumb one, and the I believe the product one to give you some reviews. So I'll just show you here. So let's say if we do product, you would do, even if you're a service business, this is called a product one, but you could create it for service businesses. Doesn't mean that you don't have a product, an actual physical product to sell. Even if you're selling a service, this might fit. So in this case, we're going to say, let's say roof repair. We're going to call it like this. The image, we could add a URL for the image. The brand, we're called Skyline Roofing. You would set all this up. Let me just fill out all this information. This is not what the training is about, but let me fill this out and then I'll show you after with the code. All right, so I filled the information up. So as you can see here, I just added the currency, the price of the product, quote unquote, the service. You could always not have this as also. And then I have the rating value. So it's gonna be rated out of 5, so 5 stars. The number of ratings, so 3, and then the highest value allowed. So let me just show you what that looks like in real life. So here, just to give you an example, this is for, let's say, this company here called Design Rush. They have their services here. So they have 4.8 stars out of 5, 4.8 out of 5 stars. They have 5 reviews and the price ranges $1,000 to $10,000 for their services. So if you were to check this out, this would be the information you have to enter. I'm not going to go into details on how to set this up within the schema, but within here, you would just generate all that, get the reviews going, write the little reviews, write the information. You would copy the code, bring it back to your editor and just paste it here. So attributes of the main object can be empty. So let me just fix this. There's some attributes that are empty and we're just gonna, after that, apply it. All right, so I just fixed up the code. So then you would press apply here. And then here you go, you would set this up. Now Google decides whether or not they want to show this on their search results. But if they do, then it's gonna look something like this here. In this case for the review, the product markup, but there's so many other different markups that you could set up, all the different ways. There's the sheet, the Google actually has a list of all the ones that you could set up. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you want to set up, like I said, for dynamic pages, you can't. But in terms of all the home pages, so whatever would be your all the different pages you might have, you can set this up pretty easily within Wix. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, you can ask them in the comment section below. I'll try to answer them all there. And if you want to download our 12 trainings, I have them linked below in the description, as well as a link to our website if you want to check out our services and the different offers we do. We do SEO optimizations for service businesses and website design as well. So if you want to check those out, all going to be linked in the description below. So hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.